Today in front of me I have Honor 70, and in this video we would like to demonstrate that you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So first of all, you gotta launch settings. Not have to, but I'll show you a certain thing. So if you'll go to settings and enter the display and brightness category, upon expanding the sleep option, you'll see that the highest we can go is 10 minutes. Thus, we'll have to download a third-party free app from Play Store that is called Caffeine, which will obviously allow us to set the saved sleep value to never. So type in the Caffeine query. That is exactly the app that we're looking for. Its precise name is Caffeine - keep screen on from the Caffeine developer. So, long story short, tap on the screen install button, wait for the app to get downloaded and installed. And after that, all that is left to do is to open it and make sure that the timeout section has the infinite value set, and leave the Caffeine active in the background. Do not close it, otherwise it will not work. Alrighty, so that will be it. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.